Fluency. We're going to look at the table showing what Gwen bought. So she bought a sketch pad. She bought 5 of them. And the cost per item, they were each $2.99. Paintbrush, she bought 2 of them. They each were $5.99. Box of chalk, she only bought 1 box. And that was $15.99. So how much did Gwen spend? So we're going to take a look at how much she spent. So we're going to have to figure out, first of all, how much it costs for the sketch pads that she bought. So she bought 5 of them at $2.99. So we're going to multiply $2.99 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 again, 45, plus 4 is going to be 49. 5 times 9 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Then we have that decimal in 1 in 2, so in 1 in 2. So $14.95 for the sketch pad. So I'm going to write that down here. $14.95 for the sketch pads that she bought, because we're going to end up adding all of them together. Let's take a look at, let's do this color, the paintbrush. So $5.99. She bought 2 paintbrushes at that cost. So 9 times 2 is going to be 18. 9 times 2 again, 18 plus 1 is 19. 5 times 2 is going to be 10 plus 1 is 11. That decimal, we go in 1 in 2, in 1 in 2, so $11.98 for her paintbrushes. And now we have only 1 of our box of chalk, so we don't need to multiply that by anything unless you want to. Multiply it by 1, you'll get the same answer. So our box of chalk is going to be $15.99. So now what we're going to do with all those numbers is add them up. So I'm actually going to take this. Ooh. Okay, there we go, there we go. So we are going to add all these numbers up. All right, we're getting somewhere. Perfect. All right, let's add them up. So 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Remember, make sure you line up those decimals. In this case, they were lined up. 9 plus 9, or 9 times 3, I should say. 9, 9, and 9. 9 times 3 is going to be 27, plus 2, 28, 29. Drop that decimal. 5 plus 1 is going to be 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is going to be $42.92. That is how much that Gwen spent. So $42.92. Ooh, you can kind of see that. Not really. Let's go over it. $42.92. And that is going to be it for our fluency. Great job.